Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Okay, so if you got some, you need some safety glasses so that the science project will not get into your eyeballs. Okay, so, and if you like, you can tie your hair up. So we're going to put these on. And I got a book for my Popsy on my birthday. And this is named Amazing Earth. It's like the earth is amazing. Okay? So we are going to do a science named Changing Pressure. Okay? So we need a hot bowl, some hot water or some warm water. You might have to ask your mummy or dad to get that for you. A cup, and you might want to use a chopstick to mix it. Okay, and you could use a spoon. And you need a plate. You need some water. You need some food colouring. It doesn't matter what colour. And you need some ice. So first I'm going to soak the glass with water. And now I'm going to pour this water into this plate. Okay? So let's put all of it in. Now we're going to add some food colouring. I chose blue, because there's a lot of blue. Your hands might get dirty, but it doesn't matter if it spreads onto the table. Just blue food colouring. Now let's mix it. Look at that blue. Bubble, mix. So now we are going to pour all of this ice on the sides, okay? All around here, yes? Okay, let's do it. So now, after that, we're going to take this water hot, and then we're going to place it here. Okay, now watch what will happen. It will rise up. Watch what happens over the next 5 minutes. So what's the science? You should see the level of water rise inside the glass. The hot glass contained warm air. When it was first placed over the ice water, the air pressure inside the glass decreased. The greater pressure inside the glass causes the water to rise up inside the glass. See what happened? In the 5 minutes, it rised up. How magical do you think that was? In our science, we did that. Rising up water in a cup. It's called changing pressure. I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to get a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you really like it.